In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create Opay account without NIN. Yeah, it's possible, but there is a stage of the kind of account you'll be running. So let me walk you through my inside of my own Opay account. So this is my own Opay. I'm gonna click on my profile right here, which you can see tier 3. So let me click on that. So you're gonna see my page, my profile. I guess it's loading, right? So let me scroll all the way down. Then you can see account tier 3. So I'm gonna click on that. So right here you can see tier 1. So if you are running tier 1 account, you don't need to connect your NIN to it. They might not ask you to connect your NIN, but note that there will be a limit to how much you can receive and how much you can transfer on your tier 1 account. As you can see, daily transaction limit is 50,000 naira, and you can account balance limit will be 300,000 naira, right? So you cannot receive more than this, you cannot transfer more than this on a daily basis. And once you see that it's stalking you, it's affecting you, the next thing I believe you're gonna do is to upgrade your account. And you can see right here I'm on tier 3. So this is how it works. You have to include your NIN if you know you actually want to enjoy the platform. So that is how it works, and that is how I have been enjoying my tier 3 account for a while now, and it really makes sense, and I will advise you to also do that. Your NIN is safe as long as you're not trying to scam the platform or fraud anyone. Yeah, it makes sense.